Hello, welcome to Korean language tutorial video. Today we're gonna learn about alphabet, part number 4. Today we're gonna learn about 2 more consonants and 2 more vowels. Here are the 2 consonants, this one and this one. This first one sounds like P in English, and the next one sounds like H in English alphabet. Here are 2 more vowels, this one and this one. Be careful. This one is different from this one. I'll explain this later more in detail. So this first one sounds like E. This next one sounds like E. So if you pronounce it faster, it sounds like yeah. Let's practice some examples. Here is the first exercise. How can we pronounce this? As we know, this one sounds like H. And the next one, this whole thing is the vowel, and it sounds like U, E. If you pronounce it faster, it sounds like Ui. So, all together, the word sounds like he. Here's the next example. This one, how can we pronounce this? This consonant sounds like P in English alphabet. Now the next one. This one is the vowel. Sounds like E, so yeah sound. Actually in Korean word, this word means lung. You know what lung is? You have this lung in your chest and you use it for your breathing. I promised to explain the difference between this one and this one. As you see, the second one has a longer horizontal bar. When you put a consonant, in the first example, consonant goes to right before this vowel. However, in the second example, when you put a consonant on it, it goes on the top of the vowel. As you know, we don't pronounce this ing. So this first word sounds like aw, because this vowel sounds like aw. In the next example, same as the first word, we don't pronounce this consonant. As a result, all we have to pronounce is ui. So this whole word sounds like ui.